Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Children, today we'll be doing a new sound, K. The letter for this sound is K and the sound it makes is K. Let's go through the words that begin with the letter K. K is for kite. K, K, kite. K is for king. K, K, king. K is for kangaroo. K, K, kangaroo. K is for kettle. K, K, kettle. K is for kitten. K, K, kitten. K is for kiwi. K, K, kiwi. K is for key. K, K, key. So these were some of the words that begin with the sound K and the letter K. Let's go through them once again. K is for kite. K, K, kite. Kite. K is for king. K, K, king. King. K is for kangaroo. K, K, kangaroo. Kangaroo. K is for kettle. K, K, kettle. Kettle. K is for kitten. K, K, kitten. Kitten. K is for kiwi. K, K, kiwi. Kiwi. K is for key. K, K, key. Key. Now turn to page number 12 of your picture book. K is for kite. K is for kettle. K is for kiwi. K is for kangaroo. Please go through the picture book and revise all the words. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you.